2 मिनिट थांबूया, सगळे जॉईन होतील. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Last lecture we will discuss about the what is PERT, CPM, project management. Today we will discuss about the PERT, beta distribution, probability, time estimate. Okay. Main part of the PERT long form, PERT. What is PERT? Last lecture ला झालेला आहे. कोणी सांगू शकते PERT म्हणजे काय? Okay. PERT long form, PERT, PERT. PERT stands for program, evaluation, and review techniques which can be applied to any field requiring planned, controlled, and integrated work efforts to accomplishment established goods. Okay. But in 1957, the critical path method (CPM) was developed as a network model for project management. It is a deterministic method that uses a fixed time estimate for each activity. While CPM is easy to understand and use but does not consider uncertainty in activity time estimate. Okay. Uncertainty such as weather equipment failure, absenteeism can have great impact on the completion time of the project. The method was basically developed by Navy Special Project. Means the program evaluation and review technique is network model that allows for randomness in activity completion time. Okay. Generally used when there is risk of time associated with the project, means the R&D project where correct time and determination cannot be made. For example, project launching and spacecraft. Okay. Sorry. PERT was developed in late 1950s for the US Navy's Polaris Ballistic Missile System project, having thousands of the contractors. This project was notable in that it finished 18 months ahead of schedule and within budget. It has the potential to be reduce both the time and cost required to complete a project. Means the method was basically developed by a special project office in corporate with both means Alien and Hamilton Management Consulting Firm and uh, Lockheed Missile System Division for evaluating the feasibility of existing schedule on Polar's mission program and for reporting progress. Means a project is composed of many divergent activities which contributed to its completion according to the preceded man schedule. Means there may be many uncertainty associated with these activities. Means the PERT is the technique that statistically present knowing about these activity and the activity uncertainties. Main part of PERT is a work model devised to complete the project work in time, and it analyze the actual work time required to complete the task. Main part of concepting and meaning of the PERT. PERT is a very famous project model that has found its use in various professional, including nurturing. Means this model helps in judging the time required in completing an activity. Means nurser administrator can use this model to delegate and assign the work schedule to nurseries in the hostels. Means it not only evidence the cost effectiveness of nurturing care but also has great impact on reducing the expenditure by the patients. Then main this photo images for the model helps to reduce the patient hospital stay by judging beforehand, beforehand the actual care time, manpower, money, and the material required. Means therefore, following this model helps to prevent waste of time, money, and material, benefiting the patient and the those hospital management. Okay, main part includes in the finished product or service design, the total time and budget needed to complete the project or program, the starting date and completion date, the sequence of the steps or activities, the estimate time and cost of each steps or activity, the model or for project management designer to analyze and represent the task involved in the completing given project. Okay, then main part for sorry write down per definition. First stands for program, evaluation and review technique. All write down. All are write down for definition. PERT is a work model device that to complete the project. Project work in time. It analyzes the actual work time required to complete a task. It analyzes the actual work time. It analyzes actual work time required to complete task. Required to complete task. Main part by elaborating the define for 10 points. First is the manager's tool, means for managing tools for defining the project and coordinating various operations involved in time. Second, the direction, means what must have done to successfully accomplish the project object of the project. Third is the profile. In that aids the decision maker but does not make decision for him. Then a way for synchronizing various parts of overall job. Fifth is a technique. The present statically means information regarding the uncertainties about the computation time of various activities associated with the project. Then method for main part for first means for focusing the managerial attention in first is the latent problems that require quick decision. And second is the procedure the analysis adjustment regarding the time, resource, or performance which may improve the capabilities of meeting target dates. That is the method of scheduling and budget resources as to accomplish the predetermined job on schedule, and then minimizing the production delays in interpretation and conflicts. Okay. Then next, outstanding approach means the outstanding approach for responding to the completion of the project. Then communication facilities in that report development for uh, uh, both favorable and unfavorable to manage, and in that it can be kept in manager post and informed. Then next slide, components of PERT model. Okay. Main, every activity consume time and needed adequate resources and such manpower, material, space, and machinery to change or move move on one event to other. Okay, means the change one or more move one or change okay, change or move one event to other. Okay. First procedure event means the PERT system uses a network diagram consisting of events which must be established to reach project objectives. An event in a particular instant of time at which some specific part of plan is to be achieved. Means it indicates the points in time and does not require any resources. Means the approaches of event-oriented network diagram gray out of the desire to report on project progress via describable management milestones. Okay, so means the first is preceders event, successor event. First, this flowchart first is red rectangle box is the preceders, then arrow is activity nodes, and then green color is the and then red is the successor. Okay. Preceders means it is an event. Preceders some others event. It can be single or multiple. Okay. Successor events means it is an event that immediately follows from other event. It can have single, multiple successor events. Okay. The time estimate first is the node activity. Row is the activity node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is three time estimate. Means the time is the most essential and basic variable in persisting of planning and controlling. We have seen that the part is mostly used for research and development type projects, which are referred to work through. In this project, there is uncertainty about that time about that the time required for the completion of various activities. Exact estimation of time of completion of for various activities is difficult. In the PERT network has an estimate is made for not only the most probable time required to complete the activity, okay, but some measures of uncertainty is also incorporated in this estimate. Okay. To consider two more estimate, the pessimistic estimate and optimistic estimate. Just to take the uncertainties into account, per planner make three kind of the time estimate. First is the optimistic time, pessimistic time, mostly like time. Okay, optimistic time estimate. Okay. This is the shorter possible time in which an activity can be completed under ideal conditions. This is denoted by TO. Okay. लक्षात ठेवा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक टाइम पेसिमेटिक टाइम मोस्टली टाइमचा युनिट काय असेल म्हणजे डिनोट काय असेल तर टी ओ पेसिमेटला टी पी आणि मोस्टली लाईकली टाइमला टी एल लाईकला एल पेसिमेटिकला पी ओ ला फर्स्ट वर्ड काय असेल ते लाईकचं ओके मेन this estimatic time estimate is the shortest possible time in which an activity can be completed under ideal conditions. Okay. With this particular time estimate represented by time in which we could completed the activity or job. If everything went along perfectly, it's no problem or adverse condition better than the normal condition and assume to preview this, this time estimate is denoted by T0. Okay. Then second pessimistic time. Pessimistic time. It is the best guess of maximum time that would be required to complete the activity. Okay. This particular time estimate represent the time is might take Uh, if everything went wrong and abnormal situation prevails, however, it does not detail the include highly unusual cas- catastrophic such as earthquake, floods, fires is denoted by TP. Means pessimistic time is it is the best guess of the maximum time that would be required to complete the activity. Means this particular time estimate represents the time it might take us to complete a particular activity. If everything went wrong and abnormal situation prelude is, however, this estimate does not include possible effects of highly unusual catastrophic such as earthquake, flood, fires, etc. This time estimate is denoted by TP. ओके, समजलं का सगळ्यांना? इझी आहे. काही समजत नसेल तर विचारू शकता क्वेश्चन. एनी डाऊट, एनी प्रॉब्लेम, आस्क मी. Third, most likely time estimate. If most frequently mode means the completion time having the highest probability. Normal condition is denoted by the TL. Means the most likely time or most probable time is the time that in the mind of estimator represent the time the activity would most often require in normal conditions prevail. This time estimate lies between the optimistic and pessimistic time estimate. This time estimate reflect on situation where conditions are normal, things are as usual, there is nothing existing. This time estimate is denoted by TN. Okay. This time estimate looks simple are not always easy to prepare. However, they give usual information about the expected uncertainties in an activity. These time estimates are usually expressed in days, weeks, or month. Okay, and represent calendar dates and not actual working days. Main part for the time estimate, optimistic time estimate, pessimistic time estimate, most likely time estimate, frequently. Okay, T0, TM, and TP. Sorry, TO, TM, TP. Okay, optimistic time estimate, pessimistic time estimate, and dotted line is the slope, and medium size is the mostly likely time estimate. Most likely time estimate. The horizontal axis is 4, 7 time. For horizontal axis is the represent by time and vertical represent the frequency. Means the time is required 4, 7, 10, 16 or okay. First is the 4 is the slope for the up and down. Up is the 4, 7 TM means most likely time estimate. Means the most likely time estimate and the probable time is the time that is mind of the estimate. Means the represent the time the activity would be most often required a normal condition prevail. Means these estimate between lies between the optimistic and pessimistic time estimate. Okay, this is the network diagram for the optimistic. Then time and frequently 1, 6, 2023 is up and down. 6 is the 625. Main range of same dimension or different parties means find problems. Uh, times for completion of train day is the standard table for the optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely time. Okay, 54 ranges of same dimension by different parties means 8, 10, 12, 6, 9, 11, 10, 10, 13, 15, 12. Okay, then 11, 9, 7 is the main part for the 6 is the activity for the and 17 is the completion of trench. The time days of completion number of trenches completion during these days. For the days of completion 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or number of trenches completion during these days. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 8, 9, 8. Okay, and the days of completion 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And number of trenches completion during these days. During this completion of the trenches 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, main part for the 3-time estimator. Draw the network diagram of the 3-time estimator. First node activity. Okay, means event activity. Event is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the circle मध्ये आहे ते event आहेत 1, 2, 3, 5. Activity means हे arrow. Event 1 to activity 2 and activity 3 ला connect झालाय. Event 2 activity 4 and event 3 ला पण activity 4. Event 5 is active directly straight line to start to 4 to 5. Event हे 1, 2 आणि 3 ला कनेक्ट केलंय. 2 हे कशाला झालंय 4 ला, 3 हे 4 ला झालंय आणि 4 कशाला झालंय 5. Means 4 to 7 by 16. 2 by his standard 3-time estimated. Write down network diagram of 3-time estimate. Write down 3 times of the estimate. First to the optimistic time, pessimistic time, most likely time. Important जितके पार्ट आहेत मी त्यालाच लिहायला सांगते. जे मेन इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट आहेत तेच लिहा. Optimistic time, pessimistic time, mostly likely time. Optimistic time, shortest possible time in which an activity can be completed under ideal conditions. This is denoted by TO. Pessimistic time, the longest time that an activity might require if everything went wrong and abnormal situations prevail. However, it does not. T as T includes highly unusual catastrophic such as earthquake, flood, fires is denoted by TP. Okay. Most likely time estimate, most frequent model, the completion time having the highest probability in the normal condition period, it is denoted by TL. Write down 3 definitions of time estimate: optimistic time, pessimistic time, and most likely time. Next, main uncertainty of use of earth means the as soon as the work of network construction for the project is over, the item of concern is the determination of time required for the occurrence of each event. The planner is faced with questions of concerning how long the project will take and when specific activities may be performed. Since the activities are to be performed in future, the time period required for the execution of each activity or job can only be estimated. If these factors present no problems if the project consists of activity with which the estimator or planner is familiar terrifies because of his wide personal experience. However, because of certain uncertainty, the exact time estimate of time for completion of any activity may be difficult. It mean expected time and standard deviation beta distribution. Okay. Mean expected time for the beta distribution, the how tight a set of various. This is the graph for the activity distribution. Okay. Then beta beta distribution is a type of probability distribution which fits well for PERT analysis. Means the beta distribution is the one which is not symmetrical about the topic. This figure shows two beta distribution, one having skew to the left beta distribution. Okay, expected standard deviation sigma measures of uncertainties. Okay, then expected to consider 50% probable performance expected time of 4 into uh, optimistic plus 4 into mostly like plus pessimistic divided by 6. Okay, means uh, 3 time estimate PO means optimistic time estimate TP, pessimistic time estimate and PL is mostly like they are identified on the beta distribution, the variation means the variance and standard deviation can be computed using T O and TP. Means, however, one must combine the three time estimate into one single time. The average time taken for the completion of the activity or the job. Okay. Means this average time or single workable time is combined called as expected time and denoted by TP. Expected time is TP means average time or single workable time for combinedly called expected time and denoted by TU. If the exact shape of the probability distribution curve is known as the average time or expected time would be accurately calculated. However, this means the precision curves never available specifically for non-restricted jobs. We must approximation. Means this is the algebraic using weighted average derived by satisfaction means in computing the expected time and weightage of the one is given to the optimate time means TO and weightage of 4 to the most likely TL means weightage of 1 to the most pessimistic time means TP. For expected time formula, this is T is equal to TO means optimistic time plus 4 TL means 4 TL means most likely time estimate plus TP pessimistic time divided by 6. This above expression, the above expression for T is based on weighted average method, means weighted average method is reasonable since the chance of completion of the job into T0 and TO and TP. TO means estimated time estimate and TP is the estimated time is much less than the most likely uh, time means TL. Let us take example of estimate time of completion of two jobs for A and B. First, A is the minimum completion of time, and B is the time. Horizontally axis is time, and vertical axis is the frequency of the occurrence. Okay. First, minimum completion of time starts standard deviation for the mode, second mean, and third maximum. This is the time of completion, and then A to B is the range equal to 6 sigma. Means job A, job B means A TPOT is expressed for the okay. Means some chances of actual time taken will be greater than T is there. It will be less than the T. Naturally, the virtual ordinate through T will divide the probability curve into two equal areas. Okay. If estimate time at TO, TL, and TP are such that expected time T computed with this this comes out the equal to TL, and the distributor will be symmetrical about the model TL for completion of T0, TL, and TP. Okay, then beta distribution for the distribution is a typical type of the probability distributed which phase will for PERT analysis. Means the beta distribution is the one which is not symmetrical about its apex. In this figure show the beta 2 to 3 1 having zero to the left beta distribution for the optimistic means M is the medium high slope means standard deviation of sigma measures for uncertainty is equal to B minus A. B minus A divided by 6 means 6 is sigma. Means optimistic and the other having scale to the right beta means for pessimistic. Left is the optimistic and right is the pessimistic. Okay. Means the originators of PERT were interested in finding that type of probability distribution which satisfies the following conditions. Okay. First is the shorter means the distribution should have small probability of reaching the most optimistic time means shorter time, and the distribution should have small probability of reaching the most pessimistic time means longest time. Okay. Means the distribution should have one and only one most likely time, that is unimodal, which would be free to move between the two extremes mentioned in 1 and 2. Okay. The distribution should be such that amount of uncertainty in the estimating can be measured easily. Means the above mentioned four requirements are met in the beta distribution. Means the distribution used in the PERT analysis. Okay, means it can be shown for beta distribution standardization. If the beta distribution standardization is given by the sigma is equal to P minus P O divided by 6, the variation sigma delta square is TP minus TO divided by 6 square. Since we have already seen the variation in the measure of uncertainty, means the greater the variation, greater will be uncertainty. Okay. This is the figure for the characteristic time and standard deviation. Okay. Number of the ranges of the vertical axis represent the horizontal axis represents the number of the okay. The standard deviation of the mean variance and standard deviation. Okay. Mean that it for mean of the distribution may be defined by the algebraic sum of the time duration taken by the rate job divided by the number of jobs. Okay. Deviation means the deviation is the difference between the time under consideration and the mean time. Means this difference may be either positive or negative. Okay. Means delta is deviation of any time t from the mean. T is the time under consideration for which deviation is being for found. Variation means the mean of squared deviation. It is expressed by delta square. And standard deviation, main power for test standard deviation means it is a simple square root of the variance. Standard deviation is denoted by symbol delta. Means delta is a summation t minus tm square by n. Okay. Expected time and standard deviation activity 1 and 2. Okay. आणि activity 1 and 2 ला काय आहे? मेन पार्ट फॉर ट्रेंचेस राहिलंच ना. हा एक्झाम्पल असेल तुमचा, म्हणजे हा ग्राफ असेल. ओके. डेविएशन ह्याचा मीन्स दिस this data for table standard table for the date of completion, number of trenches, number of completion and number of trenches हे last ह्याला दाखवले. standard table for the beta standard deviation. This data table can now plotted to get the frequency distribution curve between number of days of completion and number of trenches completion during this period. Okay. Curve mostly like TL means corresponding to tick of the curve comes to come out to 10 days. The frequency curve so obtained is not symmetrically skewed to the left. Then expected time. Activity 1 and 2, TO, TM and TP 41, TM 76, TP 1623. Okay. And comment standard deviation second case measure of displacement. Formula for TO plus 4TL plus TP divided by 6 means TO is equal to 4 plus 4TL means 7 plus TP means 16 divided by 6. काय आलं त्याचं answer?